Hey friends, I'm Natasha. Thank you so much for watching me live. Today I wanted to do a little tutorial and to answer the question, should you use a primer for frizzy hair? And I'm actually just re-wetting my hair right now because it's starting to get dry as I was getting my stuff together. But I just washed my hair. And a lot of you, I'm sure, probably use a primer on your face for makeup, but have you ever thought about like, whoa, what if someone made that for hair? I have been using a really cool product that is that. It's a primer for your hair, and it's specific for helping prime your hair to reduce frizz, to help your hair resist heat and humidity, and there was something else on there that I forgot, and it basically is going to help hold your styles 2 times longer. So what is a hair primer? Something like this that my company offers, it's now in this packaging. It basically uses a silicone alternative that's plant-based, you know, all of our products are vegan, to smooth your hair down, provide longer hold and humidity protection so that your hair is really ready to be styled, ready to look good for a longer amount of time, and you can wear styles longer, go longer without touching up, because you're not going to have to touch up as often since your hair is going to be more frizz resistant. So that's basically what this primer is that I'm going to be using. And if you're one of my VIP customers, hit me up if you want to check it out. I will give you some tips. What I did so far was I washed my hair, I put in my split-end mender, which is a treatment, as my base. And if you're using a primer for your hair, just like your face, you're gonna wanna put on any treatments before you apply the primer. The primer is supposed to be the first step before your styling products. So I put about like a quarter size amount of product in my hands, and I'm gonna work it through my bangs first. My bangs, I'm learning, are probably what get frizzy the fastest out of my hair. And then I'm just gonna part my hair the same way I would wanna actually wear it. And I'm gonna work this primer through my hair. I'm not using a lot. Just like a primer for your face, you don't need a lot of it. You just wanna put a light coat so that it can really prep your hair to accept your styling products, to help your styling products be more effective. And it's really basically kind of putting a coat on your hair so that it is more resistant to humidity. And that's it. It took like about a second. I didn't have to use a lot of product, but I can feel my hair already feels like a little bit smoother. It has a little bit more slip. And what I really like about this product, I've been using it for, I don't know, maybe 6 months now. And I don't use it every time I wash and style, but I use it if I've noticed, like the week before, I was like exceptionally frizzy, or if it's been super humid, so like the summer, like while I was in Cuba, then I'll use this primer. And what I really like about it the most is that it doesn't really build up on my hair. It washes out really easily, and I think that's primarily because it has this alternative to silicone in it. And if you guys are curly, or if you've ever kind of just like struggled with finding products that are gonna work for you, you know that certain silicones like stick to our hair. Silicones stick to our hair, they cause buildup, they actually over time will cause more frizz because they prevent your hair from actually accepting moisture, from accepting the amino acids that are in your products, from accepting the nutrition that are in your products. So you don't want to use products that are going to contain a lot of those in them. So in addition to having that, I think it's called Fixate Plus, which is that alternative, silicone alternative in it. It also contains an amino acid blend, and it also contains, there was one other thing. It's going to add a little bit of moisture, but it contains an amino acid blend, and then it's also going to still provide some sun protection, which is really important for keeping your color bright and poppin'. And it's also really safe for color treated hair. So you know I color my hair, and that's really a big important factor for me. So I hope this was helpful. If you ever tried using a primer for your hair, have you ever thought about using that just like you use it for your face? I would definitely recommend it, especially if you go through a lot of frizzy days, if you live in an area that is super, super humid, or you're going on a vacation and you know it's going to be humid. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. What I really like about this company and the products that I use the most is that they last a long time. On average, my products for all of this hair, I have thick, a coarser texture curl. My products will last me anywhere from 4 to 6 months, which is amazing, and it's helped me save a lot of money. So to kind of put it into perspective, our VIP customers, when they get a pack of products, they'll get a shampoo, a conditioner, a treatment, and then a styling product, and that basically is about $104, and it lasts them 4 to 6 months. So think about the money that you save when you buy products that are really healthy, effective, so they last a long time, and good for your hair. But I hope this was helpful. Share this video out with someone who needs it, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.